So it was issued to the United States Marine Corps, who not only used it from ground bases as a fighter and as a ground attack aircraft, they also started using it from carriers and proved the US Navy wrong. Later models of the aircraft had a raised cockpit to improve the pilot view over the nose on approach to a carrier, and this became very much the standard fighter and fighter bomber of the US Navy and the US Marine Corps.
Herr Jun, Vater des 10-jährigen Hanno Jun, bitte holen Sie Ihren Sohn in der Kindersammelstelle ab. In der Kindersammelstelle am Osteingang. Hanno Jun ist in der Kindersammelstelle im Osteingang.
Powered by a Pratt & Whitney R2800 engine. That's a 45-litre 18-cylinder radial engine, literally a double row radial, producing 2,100 horsepower. Gave the Corsair a maximum speed in excess of 750 kilometres an hour. Very heavily armed, 6.5-inch machine guns in the wings. It could carry a wide variety of bombs, rockets, and long-range external tanks under the wings for ground attack missions. Aside from being used throughout the latter half of the Second World War, from about 1943 onwards, it was also used by the US Navy during the Korean War, where again it served as a ground attack, land-based ground attack aircraft. It was also used by the Royal Navy and by the Royal New Zealand Air Force. Very powerful, very dramatic aircraft this, and the reason for the odd shape of the wing is because in order to absorb that massive horsepower, 2,100 horsepower, it needed a 4-metre propeller. Now the problem is that for a carrier-based aircraft, if you have a long propeller, you also have a long, thin undercarriage. And a long, thin undercarriage breaks very easily when you smash it into the back of a carrier. So what you want on the perfect undercarriage for a carrier-based aircraft is very short, very thick, very sturdy. And in order to have a short undercarriage and a long propeller, Chance Vaux cranked the wing, giving it that gull wing design so that the undercarriage is attached at the point where the wings turn upwards, keeping the undercarriage very short, meaning you could still fit the long propeller, and that's why it has the gull wing design. This particular aircraft was built in 1945, too late for service with the US Navy in the Second World War. It was later sold to Honduras, taking part in the famous football war between Honduras and El Salvador. In 1965, it was purchased by a Texan millionaire, and then eventually acquired by the Flying Bulls, and they're at Salzburg in Austria, being flown for us today by Raymond Reedman, who also flies their B-25.